And what about you?
I'm also doing great and everything is going flawlessly. Thank you so much for inquiring. I hope your life is also treating you well.
Yeah,
Okay, all right. So, this is the first section that I'm having with you. So, can you please introduce yourself?
yes, sir. So my name is Kriti Jha. I'm basically from Bihar, but I'm residing in UP right now due to my education. And right now I'm pursuing my master in commerce, as well as I run a small YouTube channel I have started where I upload spoken English conversation. That's all about me.
Okay, so your background is commerce. At the same time, you're running a YouTube channel, right?
Yes, sir.
So, how's your experience about uploading videos on YouTube? I think it is very interesting work, I would say, uploading videos on YouTube and having a conversation with different kind of people. So, do you upload conversational videos?
Yes, sir. I upload conversation video as well as sometime I upload solo videos also. And it is a great experience what I have come across. It's been a 3 month, and now I am looking that I am more confident because when I started this journey, I was very underconfident. I was very shy to face the camera, but now I feel that I am confident and I can speak whatever I feel. And sometimes I face problem, grammar mistake is there, here and there, but I am trying to remove these all things.
Okay. So, somehow this is gonna eradicate the shyness. Sometimes people feel extremely shy in front of the camera, but nowadays you're dealing with all these things. So, it made you a camera friendly person, right?
Yes, before I was very a shy person. I was very introvert that I will not face any camera. But over this period, I have learned that how we can face, how we can maintain eye contact, and how to maintain gesture, well communication. This all thing I have learned from this journey.
Of course, because having a conversation through audio call and having a conversation on video, this is completely different thing. When you are having a confabulation with the person online through video chat, so here you need to talk to the person by maintaining all the things by using proper hand gestures. You need to maintain the eye contact. At the same time, how you are expressing yourself through your facial expressions, right? So there are various things
Yes,
which are extremely important. I think that this is gonna help you to enhance your various skills. What do you think?
yes, every aspect is important in our communication skill, verbal as well as non-verbal communication. So we have to maintain both the thing, our voice modulation, our gesture. They both play equal important role. What I felt.
Yeah, I also believe that action speaks louder than words, right? The way you are using your body language, your facial expression, your hand gestures, your postures, and also it speaks a lot. Yes, more than words. So as we
So
are
sir,
having this, yeah, please.
tell me something about yourself because I don't know anything about you. So please give your introduction at least.
Yes, I just wanted to introduce myself. Okay, so this is Vikram, and I'm from Madhya Pradesh. I have been teaching English for the past 2 years, and I have been working with various e-learning platforms for the last 3 years, I think. Yes. So where I was assisting learners who were facing the difficulties in English language. Specifically, I was teaching them IELTS, about IELTS, somebody who is contemplating to move abroad for their further studies and they just want to acquire a good band score. So I was assisting them to acquire a good band score in their IELTS journey. Apart from that, I love to teach pronunciation, specifically by getting through phonetics and all. And I love to talk to people, specifically those people who are from different countries, such as talking to people who are from China and America, England, and all. So I really love that, to exchange the knowledge and cultural exchange and all these kind of things I really love. Yes.
So how's your experience so far? Means you are teaching from 3 years. So do you like this journey, or you want to just you are here, but sometimes it feel boring also. That's why I have asked to you that how is your experience?
It's not boring to me because I believe that by explaining others, if you're facilitating other people, so definitely somehow it is gonna help you to flourish your own knowledge. And I don't consider it as I'm teaching, I'm learning and I'm growing. Yeah. And I'm extremely passionate about teaching this language because I have learned a lot of things. Not only I have explained other people whatever the topic that I'm gonna incorporate it during the session, but also I would be pre-planning all the things. I'm also learning through that. So it's a great journey to immerse yourself in it. Yeah. And I am having really great experience about this.
That's good to know about you. Great experience.
Yes. What about you? How, when did you start learning this language and how's your overall experience?
Actually, I have exposure of this language from my childhood, I would say, because my father has enrolled me in an English medium school. But I was not talking, as I told you, I was an introvert person from my school time. So I don't interact with my friend even. I just want to enjoy my own company. I just want to live alone. This was my when I was in school, I want to live alone. But the time has changed. Now I have to face lots of things. I have to I am pursuing my further education, so I have to interact with people. So I thought, why not to learn some this Miss, I know this language, how to speak and how to communicate with other, but I was very shy. I was not interacting with someone. I was very underconfident. But now, while interacting with lots of people, it's been 3 months. I have started continuously talking with people. So now it's feel great that now I am learning lots of things from people. Not only this spoken language, I would say, even their personal life, how they manage their life, what they are doing in their personal life. So I have learned lots of things from there.
Yes. And I believe that the situation which we are facing in our daily life, that is going to be one of the best teacher of yours, and you'll be learning the best lesson that you have ever learned. So this is really great thing. And as you have mentioned that you are living alone and you are managing all the things. So life is a solitary journey. And by living alone, you can understand yourself, what kind of capabilities that you're having, and you can get to know about yourself seriously, and you'll be learning how to take all the responsibilities and all, and somehow this is going to make you an independent person, because if you're living with your family, so maybe you're thinking that okay, do this and that, but if you're living alone, you need to do all the things by yourself, and this is going to make you a person who is going to be a completely independent person. Yes.
Yeah, sure. I have also learned that every time my father or mother will not going to help me. I have to learn these all things by time. So that's why I'm interacting with people and trying to know their behavior, attitude, each and everything, so that I can react. This will help me in future.
I also believe the same by having a conversation with different kind of people, what kind of mindset and what kind of tendency the person is having. So if we can acquire some sort of positive things from the person, so that's really great, I would say. Yeah.
Yeah,
As
we
much
should
as you can,
always
just try
be.
to take positivity. Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm also agree with you that you said that we should always take positivity with person. If we, if our wife, like, we can change our wife. If we match our wife, then we should always try to take it. Uh,
Yes, because if I talk about the percentage of negativity, it's very high. You can get negativity very easily, but the consumption of positivity, it's very low. So wherever you are getting positivity, do not miss out on this incredible deal. Just grab it.
Yeah, same here. I also feel that negativity is spread everywhere, but we should try to grab positivity, whatever is there. We should try to interact with positive person. We should talk positively. We should not, even people are saying negative thing about you. We should try to ignore them. We should try to take only positive thing.
But do you know, like sometimes if somebody is passing any kind of derogatory remark or any kind of statement which is full of negativity, so sometimes that negativity also can be converted into a positive scenario. In the beginning you find that okay, this is the negative term that the other person is using, but because of that negative term you will start working on that particular thing, and later on you will be realizing that okay, that person was saying something negative, that's what I started doing that, and now I got success because of that negative term. And then you can say that that negativity work, right? These kind of negative things work.
Yeah, I have also experienced this thing. One of my friends, she was preparing for IS exam. So she told me that everyone mock on me that how I will uh, prepare this exam. This is not my cup of tea. Let's do something else. But I pushed her that no, don't give up by saying someone negative thoughts. You have to work upon it. And now she is working upon her. Everyone was saying that she will not do, but now she is uh, putting her lots of effort to get that to give that exam.
Same
So I
here
can,
actually. Yeah, I
yeah,
believe that.
go ahead.
Yeah, I'm just saying, sometimes negative thoughts can push you to move forward. Yes, this is gonna allow you to do something better. Because last time I think somebody told me that you cannot improve your handwriting and all. So I thought I took that thing seriously. And I started writing 2 to 3 pages every day. Even I learnt about calligraphy. And finally I improved. And now I think that okay, that person, I'm really thankful to that person who told me this thing you cannot improve. That's what I started writing 2 to 3 pages every day. So somehow credit goes to that person as well.
We should try to remember that person. That person had made my life change.
Yes. Yeah, sometimes negative people can make a good transformation. Yes,
And transformation is important also by that time. We should realize that what is our strength and weakness, and we should work according to that.
absolutely. So, do you have any question that you want to ask?
Question is that what is your future plan? What you want to do after next 5 years?
Uh, Actually, currently I'm pursuing my master's. So, firstly, I just want to complete this. And after that, I'm just trying to get some better opportunities in the same field. Yes. So, currently, I'm just focusing on my studies and I just want to tackle all the things. So, which can help me to get something better in the future. As currently I'm pursuing my master's in English language and literature, I just wanted to learn about this because my background, I'm teaching this language. So I just wanted to learn more about literature and so on. At the same time, I'm having some sort of plans how this thing is gonna benefit me in the future. So I'm just trying to research about this. And if I find this okay, this is quite beneficial for me. So accordingly, I would be choosing that. And I don't think so that we need to take decision in a quick manner. Firstly, I just think and I just check all the information, and after getting through the proper assessment, then I just try to take my decision. So currently, whatever the thing that I have planned, I'm working on that, and I don't do things in a quick manner, and I don't plan. things for last upcoming 5 years or 6 years or something. Firstly, whatever the goal which is going on right now, so I just try to fulfill the requirement of it, and I believe that if I can do this small thing, then this small thing is gonna allow me to do something better. So a small task can help you to do something great in the future, and it is gonna work as a motivation, I believe. Yes.
My one last question, sir, you don't mind. Uh, if a beginner want to start reading a book, so which book he or she should start? Because lots of people had asked to me this question. So I would like to ask to you this question. Which book you will recommend that they should read and improve their communication?
Basically, your question is really interesting. However, my response is going to be very uncommon. I would say that I'm not gonna recommend any book. That's what my response is. I just wanna share one thing here. If you really want to read something, so this is the first thing, find your interest in that. What kind of content that makes you feel happy? Read about that. If I'm gonna say, okay, start reading newspaper, start reading novels, even if you're not interested in that, so it doesn't make any sense to dive into that kind of thing. So it's better to find your interest. If you're quite into Bollywood news or something, you can go through magazines, articles, and all. So, firstly, it is very important to find your interest when it comes to talk about reading. If you really love to read some sort of short stories and all, so you can go through that as well, because your main requirement is to consume the content in English language by reading it. Your requirement is not that the other person is recommending you something and you're reading that. It's not like that. Main purpose is to consume the content in English. So firstly, find your interest. Which thing that makes you feel happy, something that you can enjoy while reading. And I believe that learning should be enjoyable. Yes. In reading,
I
I
agree
never
with that.
recommend any book. Yeah,
Yeah,
please.
I also agree with that. We should always look our interests, where our interests lie. According to that, we should read any book. If someone likes something else, we are going to give some recommendation, but it won't work for them. So they should look for their own interest and then they should try to do that. So, sir, can you give
Absolutely.
me some feedback that I can know where I have to work?
Aisha, actually, on the basis of your speaking, I would say that you're much capable to speak at the spur of the moment and you have expressed yourself in a perfect manner. So these are some sort of positive key features about your speaking, and I believe that having a conversation in a casual or in a general manner and speaking on a specific topic, these are completely two different things, right? Yes. So your presentation skills are really good. You have expressed yourself in a very good manner. Yes. And your flow of speaking is also good. Maybe in future when you are gonna have a conversation, so we can dive into any speaking evaluation sessions so you can get the proper feedback. Yes. So in the end, I just want to say only one thing. If somebody is really interested in reading, so read that kind of content which you enjoy. Do not listen to others, because I'm saying you can start reading novels because I find it interesting. I don't know about your interest, what you like or what you dislike. So, according to your interest, go through reading. That's what I just wanted to say. And I believe that if I'm going to say start reading newspapers, so it is not going to be enjoyable for you. And might be the other person is going to feel bored. So learning shouldn't be boring, it should be enjoyable. That's what my opinion is. So thank you so much for having this great conversation and thank you for including such amazing questions.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving your precious time. This is my first day that I'm interacting with a tutor. I was a little bit nervous, but you made more comfortable to me. So thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Maybe we can have a